going to give you a quick overview of how this is set up, and then we'll go into each individual section for more specificity on what the areas are about. So here you will have the overview piece. You just click down that area there, and you'll see set up an operation, what we're going through. It's here. So just go step by step. When you create your initiative pipeline, you have to create priorities. You will use your priorities to feed your decision making. So when you click into this page itself, it's going to open up another page, and you add all your priority names. And I'll give you some specificity here on how to define strategic properties, if need be. So let's go back here. So this portion here is the capacity. So when we talk about capacity, we want to talk about manpower, budget. So we break this down into budget capacity, leadership capacity, team capacity. So that when you do add your capacity, the information will be seen here. So you can actually see, but we're going to go into more depth in each individual video because this is pretty in depth. Then the third section here is the initiative decision analysis. So you, as the decision maker, will be reviewing the first stage, and the first stage will be submitted by the team. So the team will have a submission page, and when that submission page is submitted, it will populate here, so you'll be able to see it individually very cleanly, and then you can make a decision. And like I said, I'll go into more specificity when I open these up in the next videos. Then you have stage 2. You analyze and final approval what resources are going to be allocated. And through the information that the team is providing in the submission area, it will automatically populate in these areas once you initiate a stage 2 and you connect the stage 2 to stage 1. And basically this will, once you do that, it will populate this information. And there are some recommendations when all the information is put in there. I created a formula to create some recommendations or not to recommend, but this will be we will go into more detailed in the other videos as well. And then last but not least, this area here is for the resource calculations. I give you some more information of how I calculated the capacity information. And this area here is the additional support databases that support your dashboard here, this page. So, and that in a nutshell is your strategic initiative pipeline overview.